Hi, my name is Natalie, and today I will be talking about the science behind pinto beans. Pinto beans are a traditional dish in my culture and in my family. They can be served alone or can be used as a side dish to your main course. Growing up, I would just eat rice and beans and some tortilla for dinner, so I'm very excited to teach you guys a little bit about this dish and have a small taste test at the end of the video. Pinto beans are a source of nutrients including protein, dietary fiber, vitamins such as vitamin B, and minerals including potassium and iron. Pinto beans go through a process of hydration and rehydration. Dry pinto beans need to be soaked in water before cooking to rehydrate them. This process is essential because it rehydrates the dry beans and reduces the cooking time. I will continue to talk about more science facts behind pinto beans while we go get some from my niece. Let's go. Let's talk about cooking techniques. In previous lessons, we talked about different cooking methods. The cooking of pinto beans typically involves boiling or simmering, which as we learned is convective heat transfer. Heat breaks down the tough cell walls of the beans, making them easier and softer to digest. It also helps to eliminate any anti-nutritional factors and toxins that may be present in the raw beans. Food safety note. Proper cooking of pinto beans is essential to ensure any potential pathogens are killed. This involves understanding proper cooking and temperature time needed for safe consumption. And here we have our dish. Before going ahead and having a small taste test, I do want to talk about the flavor development. Flavor in pinto beans is developed through the Miller reaction and caramelization. The Miller reaction occurs between amino acids, and this is coming from the beans' proteins, and reducing sugars when exposed to the heat. This reaction results in the browning of the beans and the development of complex flavors. Side note, this could also be affected by the type of seasoning one chooses to put in their beans. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to a small taste test. Here are my beans, nice and brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat them with the side of chips. Gonna go ahead and get a big scoop. Provecho. Very soft, very flavorful, just like I remembered growing up. I hope you guys learned something from my video today, and I hope you decide to go try some pinto beans. Thank you.